Being a private motor vehicle inspection center, we are conducting inspection to all light vehicles and motorcycles prior for their renewals to LTO. We ensure that their vehicles are still capable to run in the road and not dangerous that can cause road accidents. We must see to it that vehicles are still roadworthy and can still promote public safety. For the process inspection, I will introduce you to our head technicians, Mr. Rolando Bicbic and Mr. Richard Tachado. They are TESTA NC2 accredited technicians. Mr. Bicbic will explain the functions and performance of our machines. So sir, what are you going to perform at stage 1?
Okay, first up, good morning. Before we proceed to the stage 1, the technician will make sure that he will make the preliminary analysis first. Now, like check the headlights if there is no busted, or the pertaining lights front and the back. The technician will make sure that there is a working, good functioning headlight. So after that, when everything is working good, so the vehicle will proceed to the stage 1. There's a set of machine. Now, when the vehicle is around here, then it's going to stop right here in the pad as you see. What it does is it's going to slide it forward, backward. The technician will go down and he will operate so that he can see on the undercarriage
chassis.
Yeah, there is leaking or there is any possible
Damages in the under chassis.
This machine will make sure
No damage.
Yeah, because this is the axle plate. Now, first, the seats have 4 seats of machine, as you can see here. The first one is what we call slip detector. Now, once the vehicle will pass here, it's going to stop to the second set of machine. What it does is going to detect any deviation of the tire, for like when we drive forward, the computer will detect any small deviation that maybe the naked eye cannot see or the initial in the undercarriage cannot pick with the technician. So after that, the computer will decide if fail or pass. For the sound system, this is what we will use that going to measure about the muffler. So this is a opacity machine. This machine is going to measure about the smoke and it's still in the legal limit. The last one is the headlight. Now, once the vehicle is can move forward after this camera can detect that the vehicle is at close range about 1 meter apart. Then the computer will start and find the elevation of the light and the intensity.
So we are approved by DOTR and LTO. After complying all the requirements, we are given an ATO authorized to operate. Our machines were purchased from QROTECH supplier. QROTECH is our supplier from Korea, who manufacture and provide vehicle inspections, machines, and equipments. Our aim is to provide service in the next 10 to 20 years. That's why we make sure that our equipment and machines are durable and works effectively and efficiently. That is why we purchased QROTECH.